So guys, I feel like we're on a wild goose chase on this. See this? This is Brush Creek Falls and White Oak Creek Falls and yeah, all that fun stuff. This is Brush Creek Falls State Park. I have never, in all my adventuring, heard of this place. And the reason why is because it's not on the list. This state park is not on the list. The only reason I'm even here looking for this wonderful falls is because the nice lady at Camp Creek said, "Hey, have you heard of this place?" Of course I said no, so here we are. But getting here was no easy task. GPS did not know how to get me here. In fact, I ended up in two people's driveways in the process of getting here. So, yeah. This is interesting. But I hear that the waterfalls are worth the little trip. So, I think I'm making this one its own video. And so, if this is its own video, today I'm pretty sure is November the 22nd. It's a Tuesday. It is, well, truck says it's 54, but in the undergrowth it's probably in the mid 40s. So that's what we're working with. And I guarantee you my voice sounds funny because it's actually kind of cold down here. Yeah. Didn't know this was a park. Evidently it's a park. So yeah, let's just swing in it and see what we got. Hopefully we get to see a nice waterfall. So let's go on an adventure. Well, I think we found it. I think we found the Brush Creek Falls. There's a whole, they seriously did some work back in here. I don't know why they don't advertise this that much anymore. I don't even know why they haven't advertised it. There's even a sign over here. That's the sign. Here's the upper side of the falls. And then there's the lower falls. I'll get back to you if we can find the rest of the falls. Well guys, I found the way to get down to the waterfall. This is going to be very treacherous, but I tell you what, if this view is about right, it'll probably be one of the best I've ever seen. Actually, it might be better than the Camp Creek waterfalls I visited today. I tell you what, this thing. See, this is gonna be the tricky part. Go that way. The trail is that way. The falls are that way. Okay, looks like we're scrambling down rocks. Mama, I'm sorry. Guys, we just scrambled down that. Oh my gosh, this was the scariest thing I've done so far in my adventure. But look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Like I swear. This literally has to be the hidden jewel of West Virginia state parks. Like, I can't make this crap up. This is amazing. You know, I have to say this maybe even rivaled Black Waterfalls when it comes to just pure beauty. Because there's nothing around here. This thing gets no publicity. And look at it. Dude, look at it. This is ridiculous. I guess that little mini excursion actually is worth it. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Well, we got to the falls, got down to the falls. Like I told you guys, I scrambled down there. I think I hurt myself in the process, so yeah. It was worth it. Yeah, at least I'm gonna justify it. It was worth it to go see that. 'Cause, oh my gosh, the fact that that thing is in the middle of nowhere, no one really knows about it, that's ridiculous. Like I said, that thing probably, I think it maybe even rivals Black Waterfalls, because the thing's amazing. It's also in the middle of nowhere. Like, quite literally, it's in the middle of nowhere. And so, oh, I don't know. But that scramble back up to the walking trail was almost as bad as the slide down. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go back to Pipe Stem, where I'm staying at for this little adventure, and get some lunch. And then I think there's a waterfall at Pipe Stem I want to try to get to. So, Marsh Fork Falls State Park. It's down a little random road near Princeton, West Virginia. Princeton. Not the Ivy League college, but the city of Princeton. Hope you guys enjoyed this little journey with me. Hope you enjoyed the waterfall. And I gotta make it back to the truck and then go back and rest and recover, because oh my gosh. Thank you guys for coming along this journey with me. If you like this video, please like it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Please show it to your friends. I probably would not have believed this place was out here either until I saw it. So, as we walk through a lovely forest of rhododendrons, I bid you all goodbye. Be safe and take care of yourself. It's a crazy world out there. Maybe the Flatwoods Monster's waiting for you, even though we're like 100 miles away from the Flatwoods. Take care, guys.